What's up, app grind? It's Reggie P here. In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 money making apps that will make you money real fast. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And sometimes I give away free money. Now, please smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded. Now, I'm going to make this video really short so I can go ahead and tell you about these 3 apps so you can start making this money. But before I do that, I just want to tell you this. If you are struggling to get views and subscribers to your YouTube channel, I have the tool just for you. Just click on the link below that says my #1 recommended tool to increase views and subscribers to your YouTube channel. Click on that link right now. This software has helped me go from 20 subscribers all the way up to almost 300 subscribers within a month. So download that tool because it will help you increase your views and subscribers also. I also have some other free things you can download in the description too. So take a look down there. I have a lot of things that will help you start making money really fast. Now, please watch this video to the very end so you know all 3 apps you can start using right now. So without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you these 3 apps. Let's get it. All right, I'm at the first app. It's called Weight Loss Bet by Healthy Wage. Okay, it says, as you can see, it has 4.8 stars, so it's a real good app. And it says here, Healthy Wage pays cash prizes for losing weight. So when you lose weight, you'll win money. So like this one right here, it says Elisa M won $2,421 for losing 50 pounds. So you can really get a nice chunk of change for losing weight. And let's see what else it says here. Start your journey with a weight verification video. It's easy with our app. Track progress towards hitting your goal. Stay motivated with lifelines and online communities. On average, participants win $1,295 with Healthy Wage. Join the thousands of people getting paid to get healthy. All right, let's look down here and just read a little bit more what it says, and then I'm gonna hurry up and get to the next app. Win up to $10,000 by making a bet. So you'll be making a bet on your own weight loss, or by participating in one of our many weight loss and fitness challenges. There's a reason we pay out millions to our participants last year. Our challenges are fun, efficient, and people love to win money for losing weight. All right, let's scroll down here and just look at some of the reviews here. Okay. Right here it says, wow, love this app. It works. This app is the reason I was able to drop 20 pounds in 6 months, losing my money if I didn't meet my goal. So also, if you don't meet your goal, you'll lose money. So it says losing my money if I don't meet my goal was very motivating. Also, having the support of other members helped me a lot. I haven't reached my final goal, so I will be signing up for another round soon. So if you want to read more on this review, just go to the app, go to this app. It's in the App Store. It's not available on Google, so if you have an iPhone, you can check out this app. So again, go to Weight Loss Bet by Healthy Wage. Now let's go to the next app. Okay, here's the next app. It's called Google Opinion Rewards. And it says here, it pays to share your opinion. Answer quick surveys and get paid with Google Opinion Rewards. So you'll be answering surveys and get paid for answering these surveys. Your opinions are valuable. Now get paid to share them with the Google Opinion Rewards app. How it works. You answer quick surveys and get paid up to $1 for each completed survey via your PayPal account. Surveys typically take less than 20 seconds. So you can make $1 every second. $1 every 20 seconds. Just filling out surveys for this. So let's scroll down here. The rating is 4.7. And let's look at one of the reviews. It says, I'm one of those kind of guys that picks a penny up on the sidewalk when he sees one. After about a year's time, I'll have somewhere around $60 to $100 in coins saved up. So he says, when using this app, you'll get surveys that start out at about 10 cents, and sometimes I get close to 50 cents. It's not every day. So it's not going to be $1 every time. So it probably start off with 10 cents and 50 cents and, and it increases as you keep filling out the surveys. Okay. So if you're interested in this app, again, go to Google Opinion Rewards, and this is available on iPhone and it's available on Android. All right, let's go to the next app. Okay, I'm at the number 3 app, the final app. It's called Zap Surveys. And as you can see, the star rating is 4.3. That's not bad. And it says here, high paying daily surveys. Guaranteed $6 on your first survey. That's pretty high for a survey app. Instant cash payouts, so it won't take long to get your payout. Share your opinion, get paid. When you get paid, we give you charity. So let's read some more on here right quick. Take control of your notifications when you update Zap Surveys. Companies all around the world need your advice. They need your opinion, and we will pay you to share your opinions through fun surveys. Once you reach, let me scroll back up here and read something before I read that. We offer guaranteed surveys every day that tell you the exact dollar amount you are going to earn before even starting a survey. So they let you know what you're going to earn before you start the survey. We have tons of survey options. High-paying surveys where you will not only be rewarded, but we will also donate to child starvation every completed survey. Logo polling. Get paid to tell companies what design they should use for their next logo. Surveys that appear based on location and much more. So that's pretty good on this survey app. They do a couple of other different things than other survey apps do. All right. Let's look at the review right quick. It says this app is pretty cool, a lot of potential in making a few bucks a week if you apply yourself. Doesn't seem like much, but at the end of the year, you could make up an extra $1,000. So that's pretty good there. So with this app, you can probably get up to $1,000 if you use it every day, filling out the surveys. So if you're interested in this app and it's available on iPhone, go to Zap Surveys. Okay, now you know the 3 apps that will start making you money really fast. So go ahead and download those apps today and get started rolling in that money. Now, thank you for watching this video to the very end. I have a proposition for you guys. If you can help me get to 300 subscribers, I'm only 5 subscribers away. I'm at 295. If you guys can help me get there, I'm going to reward a lucky person with $20 cash or $20 Amazon gift card. It's your choice. All you have to do is just leave a comment down below, and I'm going to randomly pick a comment and go ahead and reward that person with the money or the gift card. So go ahead and do that today. Alright, that's all I have for this video. Please smash that like button. Drop a comment down below so I can give away this free money. Share this on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, and LinkedIn. And please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded, because I make videos like this on a daily basis. Alright, I'm done. I'm finished. I'm out of here. But before I leave, I just want to say this. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Peace.
This is App Grind TV.